Hello friends, welcome to my channel. As we have gone through many videos of Flask like login tutorial using get and post method, then session handling using Flask, connection to Postgres database using Flask, display all the records from database Postgres using Flask, then display particular record from database using Flask. In this video we are going to see a billing program from database Postgres with Flask. So let us go through the Python file. First statement, from Flask import Flask, request render template is used to import Flask class. Second statement, import PSYCOPG2, it is a DB API complaint Postgres driver. Third statement, app is equal to Flask bracket double underscore name, it is used to create instance of Flask class. Next statement, con is equal to PSYCOPG2 connect function, it is a connection string which is used to connect to the Postgres database using Python. Then with database name is Sam and user is Sachin. Then next statement, cur is equal to con.cursor allows Python code to execute Postgres command in database session. Then next statement, @app.root checkbox 1 dot is the method post, the end user can send post request. Then function checkbox 1 check underscore box 1, then selected is equal to request.form.getList. This is a checkbox variable and whatever checkbox values are there will be coming in this selected variable. Then next statement, cur is equal to execute, this is used to execute the insert query. Then con.commit, it is used to save whatever executed query will be saved in the database. Then again query is equal to cursor.execute select star from billing 1, it is used to execute select query. Then next statement, data is equal to cur.fetchal, it is used to fetch the record from the database. Then next statement, return render template underscore template demo1.html, whatever output will be coming from this records will be displayed according to the demo.html file. And the last statement, if double underscore name double underscore is equal to single quote double underscore main double underscore single quote close and colon, to know the program is executed from the command line. So we will go through the HTML file. Here row, these are attributes of the table, row 0, row 1 and row 2, and here row in data means all it will be there in the row, it will be there in the data. Now we will see the another HTML file. This part is very important. Action is equal to http://localhost checkbox 1 means which Python file I want to perform action, and the requests are coming by the method post. Then these are the checkbox variable, shirt 1000, pant and t-shirt 500. Now we will execute the program. Now we will execute the HTML part. I will select, I will buy Peter England shirt, arrow pant and t-shirt. So my bill will be 1000, 3500. Okay. Yes, serial number 1, shirt, pant, t-shirt items and bill 3500. Yes, we have successfully completed a billing program, a simple billing program using Python and Postgres database. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.